Albert Einstein once said, "Everything is energy. If you want something, you have to match its energy." This means that the kind of energy you give out affects what you get back. The psychic energy is a form of universal energy as well. It's like an invisible power that's all around us, connecting everything in the universe. This energy is what gives life to people, animals, and even things that aren't alive. Imagine it as the hidden force that makes everything work. We can't see it, but it's there, influencing how we experience the world. In this video, we are going to explore what psychic energy is, where it comes from, how it plays a big role in our lives, and how you can harness it for your clairvoyant and psychic path. So, stay with us till the end of this video to discover more about ourselves and how we connect to the amazing energy all around us. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay tuned for more captivating content on positive mindset, the law of attraction, clairvoyance, and other motivational topics that we're excited to share with you. The invisible realms or unseen force. So, what is it about? The invisible realms, or unseen force, constitute a hidden space where energies blend together, creating a world of intuition, special feelings, and insights that go beyond what we see with our eyes. It's like the behind the scenes of life, where things happen that we might not understand. People from different cultures and times have tried to connect with this hidden world to learn important things. As we go on this journey, keep an open mind. The invisible realms encourage us to think about a bigger picture, beyond just what we see. They invite us to understand the special dance of energies that makes our world interesting. Come with us as we uncover the secrets of the invisible force around us. Developing sensitivity to energy. So, what does it mean? Let's revisit Albert Einstein's quote once more. Everything is energy. If you want something, you have to match its energy. Yes, remember, you have to match its energy. It essentially means that we need to align ourselves with the specific energies we are seeking in the realm of psychic energy. Developing sensitivity to energy involves a conscious effort to align with the vibrational frequencies that resonate with our desired outcomes. It's akin to tuning into a radio station. We need to adjust our frequency to receive the signals we wish to encounter. In this exploration, we're going to try out practical techniques and exercises that help us become more aware of psychic energy. It's like tuning into our inner senses, paying attention to the subtle signals and vibes that we might usually miss. By doing these exercises regularly, we're starting a journey to learn more about ourselves. We get better at noticing the energies around us and understanding things that are not always visible. It's a bit like how a skilled musician trains their ear to hear different sounds. We're training ourselves to pick up on the subtle energies that shape our world. So, let's take this journey together and work on becoming more sensitive to the energy we want. As we get in sync with the intricate dance of energies, we open the door to shaping our experiences and making things happen the way we want. The foundation of clairvoyance. Let's talk about the basics of clairvoyance, the ability to see things beyond what our eyes can see. To understand clairvoyance, it's like putting together puzzle pieces. First, we need to know about energy awareness. This means being aware of the invisible energy around us. It's like feeling a special kind of vibe. Now, think of clairvoyant vision as having a special pair of glasses. These glasses let us see things that others might not. So, the more we understand and feel the energy around us, the clearer and more vivid our clairvoyant visions become. It's like discovering a whole new way of seeing the world. So, let's dive into the foundation of clairvoyance and learn how energy awareness connects to these special abilities. These special abilities are not reserved for a chosen few. They are skills that can be nurtured and developed by anyone. It's about becoming attuned to the energy vibes in our surroundings and within ourselves. As we delve deeper into this connection, we'll introduce practical exercises and tips to enhance your energy awareness. Imagine it as unlocking a door to a hidden room within yourself. By paying attention to the subtle energy shifts, you'll discover how they correlate with the vivid images and insights that clairvoyant vision brings. Stay with us, as we're going to guide you through some actionable steps designed to fine-tune your senses, helping you sharpen your special glasses for a clearer view into the unseen. Now, let's explore the first actionable step, connecting with psychic centers. Think of psychic centers as special spots within yourself that are like energy hubs. Each one has its own unique role in enhancing your clairvoyant abilities. Connecting with these centers is like opening doors to different aspects of your inner self. To start, find a quiet and comfortable space. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Imagine a warm and gentle light at the center of your forehead. This is your third eye, a psychic center associated with intuition and insight. As you focus on this area, feel the warmth and imagine the light expanding. This helps you tune into your intuitive senses. It's like turning up the volume on your inner radio to receive clearer signals. Next, bring your attention to the center of your chest. This is your heart center, a place of compassion and emotional awareness. Imagine a soothing light here and let it radiate outward. This connection helps in interpreting emotional energies and developing empathy. Now, bring your awareness to the area just below your navel. This is your solar plexus, linked to personal power and confidence. Envision a bright light, empowering you with a sense of self-assurance. Practicing these visualizations regularly will strengthen your connection with these psychic centers, enhancing your overall energy awareness and clairvoyant abilities. It's like unlocking the doors to your inner energy hubs, allowing you to tap into a deeper understanding of yourself and the energies around you. The second actionable step, learning to identify symbols and psychic vision. Imagine psychic vision as a magical language your mind uses to communicate with you. It speaks in symbols, pictures, images, or even scenes that might not make sense at first glance. This symbolic language is how your inner self communicates insights, messages, and intuitions. To start, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, take a few calming breaths, and let your mind relax. Picture a blank canvas in your mind. Now, let the images flow. Don't force anything. Just observe what comes naturally. They could be simple shapes, colors, or even scenes playing out like a movie. Pay attention to any emotions or feelings associated with these images. These are your psychic symbols. They hold meaning unique to you. Your mind might use a specific symbol to convey love, guidance, or even a heads up about something important. As you practice regularly, you'll become more fluent in this psychic language. You'll learn to recognize the symbols your mind uses to convey messages. It's like unlocking a code that brings clarity to your inner visions. And repeat these few practical exercises to interpret these symbols. 1. Keep a symbol journal. Note symbols from dreams or thoughts, including context and feelings. 2. Daily meditation. Visualize a symbol, focus on it, note changes, and intuitive impressions. 3. Free-form drawing. Express symbols through art, capturing the essence without worry about perfection. 4. Emotional connection. Pay attention to emotions linked with symbols for deeper insights. Through consistent practice, you'll master these exercises, naturally identifying symbols when they come. The last actionable step, relating clairvoyance and intuition. Clairvoyance and intuition are actually close friends. They're working hand in hand to guide you. Clairvoyance lets you see images and symbols, while intuition is that gut feeling, a subtle nudge guiding you toward what feels right. Sometimes, clairvoyant images may come with a certain feeling, or your intuitive sense might lead you to see something vivid in your mind. The magic happens in the blending of these two gifts. So you have to learn to trust your intuition. Here are some tips. Listen to your gut. Pay attention to that instinctive feeling. If something feels off or right, trust it. Quiet the mind. Create moments of stillness to let your intuition speak. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful tools. Dream journaling. Note any intuitive feelings or clairvoyant visions that come in dreams. They often carry profound insights. Practice regularly. The more you trust and act on your intuition, the stronger it becomes. So, regular practices of the said exercises will allow you to have a harmonious blend of clairvoyance and intuitive insights in your life. Psychic energy isn't confined to mystical realms. It's a powerful force that can be applied in everyday life. It's a helpful friend, always ready to guide and support you. Hear what you can use it for, including 1. Decision-making. Use your psychic energy when making decisions. Feel the energy around different choices and notice where you sense alignment or hesitation. 2. Use your psychic energy to enhance communication, such as use it to pick up on subtle cues during conversations, understanding not just what's said, but also the energy behind the words. 3. Navigating relationships. Feel the energy in your interactions with others. This can provide insights into emotions, intentions, and the overall dynamics of your relationships. Clairvoyance, as a part of psychic energy, is a powerful tool for personal development. 1. Self-reflection. Visualize your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Clairvoyance allows you to see a clearer path and understand the steps needed for personal growth. 2. Guidance and challenges. When facing challenges, use clairvoyance to see potential solutions and outcomes. This insight can offer guidance on the best course of action. 3. Manifestation. Visualize your desires with clarity. Clairvoyance empowers you to project your intentions into the energy field, aligning your actions with your vision for positive outcomes. Developing psychic energy is cool, but along this fascinating journey and with this superpower, it's crucial that you adhere to some ethical considerations and responsibilities. Here's why. For ethical considerations. 1. Respect privacy. Avoid intruding without permission. 2. Integrity. Be honest in interpreting insights. 3. Empathy. Approach readings with compassion. For responsibilities. 1. Self-reflection. Ensure growth aligns with personal values. 2. Continuous learning. Stay open to new perspectives. 3. Guidance. Provide insights responsibly. By integrating these principles into your psychic development, you not only foster trust, but also contribute to personal growth and positive impacts on individuals and society. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Your support helps us reach more people on their journey of self-discovery. And for more insightful content on positive mindset, law of attraction, clairvoyance, and other motivational topics, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell too so you stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of psychic energy. Until next time, keep shining your light, and we'll see you in the next video.